Tonight, I want to share on what we call, what do we use now? What is the term we use now for tangatauli, or if they're Afa Samoa or Afa tangatauli, or if they are Afa Palangi or Afa Shamani, because we don't want to use Afakasi anymore. These are the two words you're going to have to get used to using. Pito and Afa. Pito and Afa. Now, more than likely, you and your significant other may be biracial as well. So they cannot be Afa Tangatauli, Afa Samoa if you're biracial or triracial or multiracial. You are Pito, which means part. So you are part black, part Samoan, part Chinese. Or you can start using your percentages. Or your fractions. 118, 129, 167. There's plenty of people who are like, oh, I'm one by 3,789, 1,500, 6,000% of I don't know what. But you use the word pito, so you're part. Pito is part of something. So you can say part tangatauli, or pito tangatauli, pito Samoa, pito siamani, or if they're part. But if they are half, Afa tangatauli, pito Samoa, pito Saina. That's how you can. That's the substitute for Mea-Uli and Aftasi. Okay, tangatauli and pito or Afa. Okay, now upu fa'aloalo. Tato upu fa'aloalo. We're going to go into upu fa'aloalo. Our first word today is house. House or fale. Fa-a-la-e fale. Fa-a-la-e fale. F-A-L-E house. Ya wala. F-A-L-E fale. F-A-L-E fale. The upu fa'aloalo, there's two, Maota and Lawa. Maota and Lawa. And that's for my talilei elese sound. Kamu fai fut earphone pe o sound dakula sound ya oi. Talilei TT for lunga low volume. Oh, go. So for my secretary, you have to go out and refresh, come back in. Okay? Yeah. Maota Lawa. Maota is the house or the fale of a high chief. High chief or le ali. Tula fale or the Tulafale or the lower ranking chiefs, the upu fa'aloalo or the respectful term for their houses would be lawa. Lawa. So because Malitua gave the Christian faith his title, the Faifiao his title. The Faifiao also lives in a Maota, or the priest or the catechist. They live in a Maota. Generally speaking, everyone else would live in a Lawa. It is the respectful term, but as Samoans, you want to elevate someone who is not a Tulafale, you respectfully, you can say Maota, because of how meek and humble our culture is. The kitchen, umukuka. Remember the umukuka? We talked about umukuka before. Umukuka. But the upu fa'aloalo le umukuka is tu noa. Tu noa. T-U-N-O-A. T-U-N-O-A. T-U-Nu-O-A. T-U-Nu-O-A. Tu noa. Hey, now, ta'avale, like we mentioned in our Pi Tau Tau session, ta'avale or va'a, so car or boat, ship, canoe, any means of transportation, upu fa'aloalo, or the respectful term, sa. S fa'mamafa'a. S fa'mamafa'a is a respectful term for any means of transportation. And our last upu fa'aloalo for tonight, is anga ese. Anga ese. A-G-A-E-S-E. A-G-A-E-S-E. Anga a esa-e. Anga a esa-e. Anga ese is the respectful term or upu fa'aloalo for knife. Anga ese, anga a esa e, A-G-A-E-S-E, anga ese. Upu fa'aloalo, respectful term for knife. Yeah? O umal tato vasanga. Yela la fight kako ifa. Ha! Got you. La fight kako kalungonga ah. Leangay. Yelme le kupu. Besides, besides, besides that, I know I have viewers from Samoa, but I know a majority of the viewers, Olifafo, we are in. We are not back home. We are searching for a better future, as we thought coming out here would be better for us. And because we are in search of this future, a lot of the things that go on back home, we are not aware of. And the things that happen, we aren't made aware of, because of the idea that because we're out here, we have no business back home. I don't like that, because we're not here to just relax and, have a few drinks and, smoke a few cigarettes and maybe hit a blunt sometimes. That's none of my business. But they're doing that back home too. The difference is, we gotta pay rent. We got a lot more things to pay out here than a lot of the people back home do that are living on lands, and they say it's none of our business. Now, let me correct that. Mo'ilato. Olo'o. Au mau mai I Samoa. Ma mai mo mai ile nei. Fa tala noanga. Fa mole mole. Yen mele fi fa sa. Ile o tata amato I fa foi nei. O leo mai Yesu ele manuia. Leanga ele se me mato mfai on fai I na I Samoa. We can't do anything because of how the systems run. And we can't build because Naito to Silafia. It's not what you know, it's who you know. Let's be real. It's not what you know, it's who you know. So we come out here, Esa ili manuia. Ina ia mfayon toi fo ia tu tausi ainga. Lenga awatu lu temi nei e tausi ainga, tausi nia. Ale lava fo ili mea batu fa wotele mai fo itala. So le mautu mai sa ili manuia. Mautu toi fo ia tu. a o tō mana o tō te tau pule pule uma I whanua. No atu la I o mātou wā. Tātou no whātasi tō te mai whale. Leanga tō tele ia ka mai kia kau a waku. Po le harke leo lau whale, a waku uma ka mai kia e le ofi. So, wha mole, e le wha pe mo te whai atu le mātou fia popoto le ai. Leanga nau I o mātou ina. E le atu loe Mea-Uli vai. E leo tata mātou whanu mole. O le sa ili manuia tau sei ainga. A o le se mea watu o temi nei. Se le on temi nei o le lumanai le tam whai atu ai. Ia tam whai atu temi nei na e ato ti whai atu na e tupu mai na mea. Aia. Lea a. Ia pau lava. Ia pau lava. Lea I le pau lava. O ko nga inga wapenga. A whai aku whai la mako ngai mai. E, pongi ko ngai ko ki whafo. A o whei ua kuai mako ngai. O ko manga ola mo ke mai ngai mako ngofo ngai. Ai ko ki whai mai mako kala inga. Lea yelo se o ke ngia. Lea nga o le angu a Samoa whangasa o alma lama. Ioi. E si le alma ko pawa I loa. Lea nga le maka ngofi e le longo malia ya mako le I whafo ngai. E mau ke ngau waku. Mau ke alolo whaku. Aia ai leanga o le voi kausi a inga ingei. Ko I kiki se furu whangau a isi. Leanga e maangai e kelet ki vikengi isi kaimi. Umali lia la palasi. Inga ia mau lumanga imanguia e waku inga e kausi a inga. E le mo mako kemin ngei le ai. Lumanga I o a inga. O ngau ka inga nga. Ele I o mai I whafo I ngei Eva. A wakova ai mai wa pu e aku ngiaka o ngi ingu ngā pia ura ngā sikaleki ai ngā marianga. Ia. O ngā whai o kou inga. A ngā wako pa po marianga. Ia po langona. O toi ai a oi o langona. Ia waloelo tino. Ia ele pule atua. Pa au fika. Pule kama lo makua. Ai leanga Ede o tala tatou e tata lango atua masfau. Ia o le ala ka kalango masfau. Ko ke o ako mai le ka kalango. Ia. Ai a mato atu male ai. O loto tau tinga. Ele mai I matou I le manuia e mai le langi. Ai o le tuli manuia mai a matou I nei. Ia. Mera nau se ai. Tu I langi. Tu I lunga. Le ai. Ele o tengia. Valu sia pea al fau. Valu Leanga I need. Al kualalo nga. Lingea fiafi. Sorry for our viewers who, if I've gone on for too long in Samoan, it's because the message is for our families in Samoa this evening. Because they've said for too long that we are coming out here and we are in the land of milk and honey. I don't know. Ain't no milk and honey here. Just bills and what? Bills and loans. Bills and loans. No milk and honey. Yeah. Umalola ia mauloto dua. Yeah. Bills and honey. Yeah. Leo le honey la le ale honey le kausi. Awa kausi honey. Awa kula yo honey nga. Afa pe afa palangi pe afa teneuli pe afa tamauli. Yeah. Ngo kula ye nga 5 fia. O nga mawala ye ka ko ye le fe alofangi le pe o nga fa mai kuspa ia. Ma o e ka ko nga go. So please, please. Ki nga ia. hurts. Hurts my bottom of my heart. You know, for us out here in the States, like I said earlier, it is not our culture to be big, burly, and husky. You know, walk around for muck. No, that's not our culture. Culture was very loving. It is only when our culture is disrespected that we become that. When people overstep the boundary that our culture is supposed to embody around us. When people overstep or disrespect our culture, then we become that people. That's the Samoan culture. Afapela oe le emalo valley America. Temine. La vatua ya te oe fautua ngā iti edita walapini. Fama edita walapini. Va aipo o seki lau ku. Afapele o seki. Ya. Fuafua. Ale maulo tu. Ya. Mingoi fuafua. Mingoi fuafua inga nge iwe mei. Nge iwe mei a e kaya e kei. E whikau mele nganga longkolu. A e le sila whia nganga longkolu. Ya. Toe sue sue. Toe sue sue. Mata tato live. Ona e moula ia. Ai vai po seki lau ku. Inga nge iwe mei. Mo kalagus ko inga. Oe me handing off. Handing off. Vai la si handing off. Ya. Ngalea kala ia. Ele handing off. Afa mai liko. Ai langa handing off. Ya. Kako sila fia. Langa le nga kia. Kele yo kakaka le fia melia. OS. OS. Over significant. Kusanga mai some more significance. Alela over significance. Alela engo for insignificant. Ele ula. Lango ule kau sua kun memongi. Kako kau sua memongi man. Vaila oi ke over significant. Ya. Ngai ke la ia. Lela lau ke ko sao. Alang lau ke voyanga nge. Hand in golf. Bai ke we ke le hand in golf, ya. Ngai ke loka ku kangaka. Ngai ke loka ku kangaka. E ke kulo mo le hand in golf Samoa. Ngai kuel mo la valele loet ko ngu. So, watch your mate. Watch your mate. E mo moi loet ko ngu wa muli len le va. Mai e. Ya ngale alu aku. ngale alu ngai hand in golf aku. You know? So if you're in, lianga kang mo muli le fi awil fa pertania. Lianga e tato le sa mai Samoa vasulan tia le fa Samoa. So ko lang mo le fi out. For those of you that have come from Samoa last week and are not able to speak the mother tongue, this message is a reminder. If your feet aren't set where you're at, be it America, Australia, New Zealand, wherever, be careful. Be careful. Because, why is the big horse? Because you will ride home hand in golf. And when you land, by the time you land, your father will lock the house. Because you're going to come and he's going to say, sleep in the floor. You say my name. The whole village know yesterday. Before you arrive, the whole village know you are coming in a hand in golf, man. Don't do that to dad. Don't. Be careful. That's our discussion this evening. I hope you all have a blessed evening. Rest well. Alofa atsu uma mo oto. Ya, wa ye foi se talo bosasi. Ya, malu awi fale lo finangalo. Fa pe foi was so ona mamafa le leo ale atali ya la foi fugava tele pe la foi nu le aina se le ato ine fa ato ina tal ton le nga ol tatu nganu ya eva vaile lu ngale lofa ya o matane ya nai te fa yalo fu mai foi o fo fonga fo ina le fo ia lai ona vatu ia se tu lalo le nga e alo fo mama tu ya to a el temi fo ya na le va ya tu e pe o tele to lo fo you I know mai mato. So love everybody, love one another, love each other, but Oh, I want to clarify, because a lot of the time, man, you guys know why it's called turtle to be makaifale? No, it's not because you go into the shell. It's not because you go into the shell. When the turtle gives birth, she come back and do this, and all her children come in her mouth. So, turtle is not a nice thing to say to your cousin, because that's saying to your cousin, you eat your own family. Koi ayay kako kako. That's not nice. So don't you say turtle. Okay, turtle's not nice. It's not because go in the shell. No, it's because you come and your cousin come okay. Good night, everybody.